Hey, what's up guys? My name is Jonathan. Today is Thursday, April 7th. Right now is afternoon, close to roughly like 3:30, 4 o'clock. It's a special day because I'll be opening up my paint sprayer. And the one that I have here, the paint sprayer that I have, Graco Magnum ProX19. That's the brand, Graco Magnum 2 airless. So this video is mainly going to be me unboxing and show you guys what to expect if you guys are buying it. I saw a high review on the website, and that's also the reason why I got it. And I'll be doing a paint job on this whole back wall, pretty much the whole house. Today in California, it's extremely hot today. In my car, it's showing like 92 degrees. That's why I'm kind of sort of out of breath, because I actually just got here. Excuse the background noise. My dad is actually doing something in the front of the house. I don't know, he's banging on something. Let me open it. So I have a 1-year warranty from manufacturer. I think this thing retail price roughly about 800 something. Okay guys, so after you open it, obviously they have all these logo and stuff like that. Open the cover. So I bought this for almost a month now, close to a month, and I still haven't opened it and used it because I've been busy with all these other projects around the house. But yeah, looking at it, it's pretty much brand new, as you can see. And let me try to take this whole thing out. How about I'll place the camera somewhere around here. I don't know if you guys can see me. How about like this? You see me? Oh yeah, that's pretty good. Oh, it's pretty heavy. Okay, so this is the Graco ProX19. It comes with a brand new hose right here, as you can see. Let me take this out. So you got yourselves a brand new hose. You got a I don't know what this is, like a chemical for you to wash after you finish. Obviously, you also got the guns. The spray gun. Believe me guys, it's so hard to do things with only one hand. There we go. Got it open, and let's take some stuff out. What's this? Some sort of adapter. So you will put the paint on the bottom right here, and then you will connect the spray gun to this. It has the area for you to prime also. And this is the switch where you control the intensity. Let's get the guns out. Ooh. So the spray gun is very important. I actually also have the extension as well. Oops. There we go. That's the gun. Ooh. I don't know if it's supposed to be like this. It should be connected like that. But I'll look into it. It looked like I could just push this in. So yeah, and you're able to lock it as well. I won't show you the video how to set this thing up because there's actually a lot of video. I just want to show you open box what to expect. I also buy this separately, a extension. I believe this is a 20-inch or something. Yeah, it's 30-inch actually. 30-inch extension one for the gun. So I bought it separately. So yeah, I come with the guns. Let me see what else is inside the bag. Obviously this is not part of it, guys. You got the chemical. I think this is a cleaning agent to clean after you're done, because you don't want the paint to be stuck on the hose. obviously. And let me see, there should be a gun tip. Does it come with a tip? Oh yeah, it does have a tip. So you got the 512 right here on the tip. Yeah, you see it? 515. So this is 515. You could change that. You could change the 515 to something else. There are all these instructions on how you set it up and prep and warranty and all that stuff. I won't get too much into it. Obviously, you could. Let me set this up really quick, okay? Okay, guys. So I want to quickly show you guys. Earlier, the handle is on the bottom. I brought the handle up, and they have a locking screw right here, where you could just twist it and lock it up tight. There we go. I think everything's tight. It's really nice that it has a pretty big wheels, so you could roll this thing around. As you can see, you could move it around. My goodness, sorry guys. So, anyway, like I say, you could roll around, and obviously you could put the paint. If you have a paint right here, you could put it on the bucket right here. So these are the stands for it. The paint will, you could carry the paint like this, just pick it up and go along with it. But yeah, anyway, that's pretty much it, guys. A good thing about this ProX19 is that the pump itself, you could use it. I mean, you could exchange it. So if ever this thing break, well, of course it'll break sooner or later. You don't have to change the whole machine itself. You could just take this pump out, open it up right here, and then this whole thing just come out. So easy to exchange. It also has a filter right here on the bottom anyway. And this is the pusher ball thing that they have. Anyway, I'm pretty busy today. I want to finish painting the whole house, so I'm going to get started. I don't think I'll be showing you guys how to paint the house. There's a lot of video of it. This is mainly a video about showing you guys unboxing, what's it like. Let me show you the box. Yeah, so quickly show you guys what to expect, what to get. It comes with the hose. It comes with the cleaning agent. It have the manual. It does not come with the extension one, which you have to buy, but it also comes with the adapter of some sort, the power cable, which these are maybe 2-prong, the 3-prong type. So yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, just leave a comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Maybe I'll show you guys the final result or something. Or watch my next video. I'll most likely will show you guys.